Hello friends, how are you all doing? I'm Swapna here and today I'm going to show you a very tasty sambar. Let's get started. This is not about the currency chiller that I am speaking about, that is the vegetables that are lying in the sambar, and you're going to pick them and have it and enjoy it, right? I hope this recipe is going to help you all how to utilize the vegetables lying in your fridge into a tasty and yummy sambar. Those who are watching this clip for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.